How to activate like a mobile SIM in USA. So let's get started. So you have to go in this login page of this LycaMobile. Now from here you have to go in this add query to your account or renew your plan to. Here you have to enter your Leica number and get started, or you can also get the download Leica app. So once you get this, you have to go in this prepaid plan or renew your plan. Now from here you have to select this best value plan for your long-term activation code, and from here you just have to select any of the plan and click on the buy now, just like this. So once you are in here, you have these items in your basket to pay as you go in the SIM. Here you have to select this international SIM, or you can also get this SIM type of the SIM card and the eSIM. So once you get this, you have the total payment and you have to select your payment method, and in the last you just have to review and add the payment, and that's how you can activate your LycaMobile SIM card in the USA. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.